Welcome back to our channel. If your iPhone is stuck in an endless reboot loop, stop wasting money at repair shops. Today, I'll show you 4 ways to fix an iPhone that keeps turning on and off. Let's get into it. Method 1. Force restart. This is the most common fix for many iPhone issues. Press volume up once, then volume down once, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. That forces your iPhone to restart. If the issue is still there, don't worry, try the next one. Method 2. Wireless repair with another iPhone. This method lets you fix your iPhone using a second iPhone. Plug the problematic iPhone into power, then put it into recovery mode. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until the recovery screen shows up. Now place another iPhone nearby, press and hold its power button until the Apple logo flashes. You'll see a pop-up on the second iPhone to repair the nearby device. Tap Continue. Enter the pairing code. Choose System Recovery. Then tap Update Now. Your iPhone will reinstall iOS and fix the issue. If you don't have a second iPhone, move on to the next method. Method 3. Repair with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Put your device into recovery mode, similar to a force restart, but keep holding the button until the recovery screen appears, and open iTunes. Once detected, iTunes will give you 2 options. Try Update first to reinstall the system without deleting data. If that doesn't work, you'll have to choose Restore, but this will erase everything. If iTunes fails or throws an error, and you don't want to lose data, there's a better option. Method 4. Fix it with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool that can fix over 150 system issues. Download it from the link in the description, connect your iPhone to your computer and open the program. Click Enter Recovery Mode, then choose Standard Repair. Download the firmware and start the repair. Wait a few minutes, and your iPhone should restart normally without data loss. If that still doesn't fix it, you can try Deep Repair. But keep in mind, this will erase all your data, so only use it as a last resort. In most cases, after the repair, your iPhone will be back to normal. This issue usually happens because of failed iOS updates or storage being completely full. To avoid it happening again, check your battery health and replace it if needed. Clear out storage regularly, and if things feel off, reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset, then reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it can fix a lot of system glitches. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.